Coming soon to a YouTube channel you can access pretty easily using this wondrous invention called the internet comes a series like none before it, Civ History. It has been called the nerdiest thing I've ever heard of, and pretty interesting, along with many other things that I didn't have the space or inclination to add. But what exactly is it? Brought to you by Cody's Winter Term Project, the goal of this channel is to discuss the historical details behind the game series Sid Meier's Civilization, using footage from the 4th and 5th games in the series, in addition to photos, paintings, and videos from the time periods being discussed. If you are looking for a channel that discusses history using a unique medium, and you are willing to endure countless cultural references throughout the process, then this is the series you have been waiting for. How long will you have to wait, though, for this undeniably desirable video series? Only a couple days for the first video of the series on the Empire, near and dear to my location, the American Empire. I hope you will join me on this journey back in history as I tackle significant events, places, and people from American history, struggle with ongoing questions on the United States' empirehood, and grapple with how many of these verbs used in this sentence are used as wrestling terms. I hope you are as excited as I am, and please sit, lay, stand, do planks, or just get into a comfortable position and enjoy the show.